The weighted mean is a special case of the arithmetic mean. It occurs when there are several observations of the same value that exists in the data set. Instead of adding the values of the data with similar values, the number of occurrences of this value, denoted in the formula as W, or the weight, is multiplied by the value of the data. You can note, however, that the resulting weighted average will always be the same as the simple arithmetic mean. So the only difference is that the weighted average is a more efficient way of arriving at the average, especially if you're computing manually or if there are multiple occurrences of many values in the data set. Here's an example using the weighted mean. The Carter Construction Company pays its hourly employees $16.50, $19, or $25 per hour. There are 26 hourly employees. 14 are paid $16.50, 10 at $19, and 2 at $25. What's the mean hourly rate paid to the employees? So we are going to reference the weighted mean equation from the previous slide, and we are going to put it in. There's 14 that are at $16.50, so 14 times $16.50, plus 10 at the $19 rate, plus 2 at the $25 rate. Then we are going to divide that by the total number of employees, which is 26. And what we get is the mean hourly rate paid to the 26 employees is $18 and about 12 cents.